Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and today I would like to show you how you can find all device specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this completely free app from this developer and choose Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!